Hey everyone, welcome to today's Kubernetes session. In this video, we'll see taints and toleration in Kubernetes. Now imagine this, you got a powerful node in your Kubernetes cluster and you want only specific workloads, say your sensitive or critical apps to run there. How do you prevent else from being scheduled on that node? This is where taints and toleration come. So think of it like a VIP section in club. The bouncer tent keeps everyone out unless your pod has a VIP pass. Say it's toleration. So in this demo we'll see how to tent a node to block unwanted pods, how to only allow a specific pod to run using toleration. So let's begin the demo. So we'll go to our cluster plane node and first we'll give the command kubectl get nodes dash o wide. So here you can see I have one master node and two worker nodes. So master node this control plane and two worker nodes node 1 and node 2. So we'll tolerate this. So first we'll taint a node. Suppose here we have the node 01 with custom key value effect. So see how we'll taint this node. So give the command simple command kubectl taint node nodes and give the node name node. We want to taint node 01 and we'll apply key here app and give it to blue. Give the colon no schedule. No schedule. schedule. Now give detail tent node and give the node name and key value pair. So now press enter. So you can see node 1 gets tented. So we'll see, we'll describe the node 1 whether it's got tent or not. Kubectl describe node and give the node name node 01 pipe and we'll pass the grep command grep tent. So press enter. Here you can see it's got tents. App is equal to blue, no schedule. So tents are applied on the node to repel unwanted pods and toleration are added to the pods to allow them to schedule on tented nodes. So now we'll see. So we'll create four pods here. Pod A, pod B, pod C, pod D. So see, I will write a YML file vi pod dot YML. Press enter and here we can see I've already created like the manifest file I've already created. So here you can see I have four pod A, pod B and pod C and pod D. So in pod D you can observe, see this will have only toleration to the tent which we applied like app is equal to blue. See here operator equal value equal to blue effect equal to no schedule. So we'll apply this, we'll save, and with the command kubectl apply dash f and give the pods name yml. So here you can see 4 pods gets created. Now if we see with the command kubectl kubectl get pod hyphen o wide hyphen o, not hyphen, it's dash, press enter. Here we can see pod A, pod B, pod C all are running, and you can observe here pod D is scheduled on the node 1. So pod D can schedule on the node 1 because it's tolerates to the taints. So we'll see some more advanced feature in our next video of the taints and toleration. So that's all from this video. Thank you.